What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. I am in Panama City, or actually I'm not in Panama City. I'm in the Atlantic side of Panama in Colón, Panama. Here we're going to make a quick stop here at the Agua Clara Visitor Center here at the Panama Canal. It's like an observation deck, and I thought I'd bring you guys along. It's one of the things you could come do while you're visiting Panama. So let's take a quick tour of it. It's not very long, not much, but I will show you guys the canal and do a little bit of vlogging here. Gracias. It's my first time coming here. I'm gonna just improvise on this vlog, but as soon as you come in, they have this nice little theater here, and you get to watch this presentation about the canal.
Separó un gigantesco océano y cambió la historia del mundo para siempre.
All right, a few other things here. They have a restaurant up top. I haven't been up there, so I can't tell you if the food is good or not. I'm not here for that anyways, but just so you guys know, there's a restaurant there. They have a nice little gift shop over there. We can go check that out. They have the observation deck over there, which is really nice. I really like this visitor center a lot. And in comparison to the Miraflores locks on the Pacific side, this one is really spacious and it's not as crowded as Miraflores. You also have these stunning panoramic views of Gatun Lake as well as the new locks. And you also get to see bigger container ships transiting through these locks than you do in Miraflores. All right, we want to see how a ship goes through one of the canal locks. We're at the Agua Clara locks, so check it out right here. Since the opening of the new locks, the canal has seen approximately 220% increase in annual tonnage, from 271 million tons to 600 million tons annually. Over here, we're going to actually be able to see how the locks open up, so let's check that out. So these new locks, the actual lock takes only 5 minutes to open up and 5 to close, so it's pretty fast considering, you know, the amount of work that it has to do. I'm not sure what in comparison to the old locks, to the original locks of the canal, because these are new locks, part of the whole expansion that the Panama Canal had. So I don't know. Let's check it out. They're almost there, so we're just waiting for that to happen. So it takes a ship between 8 to 10 hours to transit the Panama Canal, and during its transit, it is assisted by the Panama Canal tugboats. Here you can see one of the gates in the process of closing. The vessel has made its way to the next chamber already, and the new locks here have 3 chambers, and each chamber has 3 water basins. These basins are used to equalize the water levels in each of the chambers as the ship is transiting through the locks. By the time it reaches the 3rd chamber, it will exit the locks at sea level. Interestingly, all of this water is transferred from one chamber to another by force of gravity, and no pumps are used. All right, so there goes the ship. So a little history on the canal, if you're not familiar with the Panama Canal. It is a waterway that connects the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans, and it was built through the narrowest points of the Panama, Isthmus of Panama. So here we're on the Atlantic coast, or the Atlantic side of Panama, and that way will take you straight to the Pacific side. I have another video, I'll link it down below if you want to check it out. It's an older video. I'm on the Pacific side, where the enter the canal through the Pacific side, but today we're on the Atlantic side. Again, this is the Agua Clara locks. Fairly new. These are the newer locks that I just showed you guys. Those can accommodate the newer ships that are bigger, the Neo Panamax, which can carry up to like 15,000 containers, versus the other ones can accommodate ships that can carry up to 5,000 containers. So big difference there. Helps a lot for trade and shipping. If you take this route, obviously it's been doing this for over 100 years. People take the shortcut versus going down through South America. But yeah, I just thought I'd show you guys this. You know, if you're ever in Panama, it's a good day trip to the Atlantic side. If you're on the Atlantic side, come check it out. Got a nice view here of the canal. Get to see the lake here, the Gatun Lake and all that. Just thought I'd share this one with you guys. So we're gonna head on out. Appreciate you guys watching the video. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. I'd appreciate it. Appreciate the support. And if you're new to my channel, take a look around. You might like it. Click on that subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next one. All right, peace.